Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
Buy me a samosa.
Buy me a samosa. Sentence 2.
I am sweating.
I am sweating. Sentence 3.
I had to break the fast.
I had to break the fast. Sentence 4.
Rinse your mouth once.
Rinse your mouth once. Sentence 5.
Rain is around the corner.
Rain is around the corner.